5-minute makeup challenge while we're charging the OPPO F9 on. We have here the Find X, which will record the F9 charging real time and see what battery percentage it will get up to after 5 minutes. And let's hope I finish my makeup in 5 minutes. Hope for the best and wish me luck. Alright, so I'm gonna be doing my makeup now, but before I start, I'm gonna plug the phone and charge it for 5 minutes. If ever I'm not done yet, we're gonna end it and see what the battery percentage of the phone is after 5 minutes. Good? Alright, it's charging. Doing my everyday makeup. Let's hope I finish before. So this is not a makeup tutorial, so I don't have to tell you what I'm doing. I just use my hands, it's more comfortable this way. We don't have a mirror, so I'm just gonna use this mirror. Why is my face so red? And if you want to know what makeup brands I use, just ask me in the comment section. What? That was fast? Seriously? Apparently getting ready in 5 minutes has been a lie. Minutes. Getting your makeup done in 5 minutes has been a lie, but the VOOC charging is not. Vacuum timer. Bilis. Ta-da! 5 minutes is over, and let's see what percentage the phone is on after 5 minutes. Oh! Let's turn it on, but before I unplugged it, it was at 11%. So let's see here. So after 5 minutes of charging, the phone is now at 11%. Alright, so after just 5 minutes of charging, we got 11% on the phone, and that's pretty good. It could last us 2 hours of talk time. And what about you guys? How fast does your phone charge? And what can you do in 5 minutes? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Again, this is Kim with YugaTech, and I'll see you in the next video.